must demonstrate how the simple items on this cart can be repurposed to sound like something completely different than you might think. For example, in Foley, a water bottle is used to articulate the sound of bones breaking. Listen to this. Pretty cool, huh? Kids, you could try that at home. All right, let's take a look at the footage we need to Foley. It's Melissa McCarthy and Jason Bateman in Identity Thief, along with actual Universal Foley artists hard at work.
Now I have a plan.
You like that? How about that? You like it, girl?
All right, let's take a look at the tools that they are going to be using. Over here, we have a crash box. It makes the sound of crashes. These are shoes on sticks for the running sounds. Here we have rolled up pieces of paper for the sounds of the body falls. The boxing gloves are for the throat punch and the face slaps. And over on the end, Nicole has a wooden mallet and a cowbell for the sound of the toaster hit. And finally, she will also be using these handcuffs, because these handcuffs sound like handcuffs. All right, I want all four of you to keep an eye on the clip down here. Are you ready to have some fun? Yeah? Here we go.
Foley family, take one.
Roll tape, sound, and action.
Chocolate syrup.
That's right. Psycho was a black and white movie, so they could get away with it. Nowadays, movie blood has to be much more realistic.
Thank you for giving us a hand.
Literally. Now, kids, do not try this at home.
Try it at a friend's house. All right, put your right hand out of the table, Jenny. Palm up so you get to that vein. Ready? Jenny, I'm totally kidding. I am not going to use a machete. I have a sharper knife. Take a look at the side screen. Scream on three, Jenny. 1, 2, 3! She's okay. Yes, this is a classic cinematic horror technique, a Hollywood blood knife. Take a look. This is a false blade with a cutout for her arm that comes out of the handle. Like that. Meanwhile, though, I am squeezing movie blood from this bowl back here so that it comes out of the tube right where the notch is. Give it up for Jenny!
Yeah! And wow! That's realistic! I'm gonna go backstage and throw up.
Okay, Jenny, you can come with me right over here. I promised you a photo, right?